Okay, it's Unit 1, Class 9th, Introduction to Biology. Question is, why the scientific knowledge? Why the scientific knowledge was classified into different branches? Why? Why first in ancient times, all the knowledge comes under a single domain that is called science. But with the passage of time, when different parameters are come under the domain of science, different parameters come under the domain of science. For example, different information comes from different aspects of life, as electricity is not related to blood, but somehow, as blood is not related to aeroplane, so when you will discuss the aeroplanes and electricity, these observations, conclusions, and results leads to a new branch that is called physics. Similarly, when you talk about blood, so blood is related to life, and it arises a new branch called biology. And when you talk about chemicals found in earth, okay, so scientists arise a new science called chemistry. So these different aspects arise to new branches of science. So in ancient times, first of all, the information is only under the domain of science, but further, with the passage of time, the information increased, so the enormous scientific knowledge was classified into different branches: biology, physics, chemistry. And when you calculate things, for example, 2 plus 2, 4, then it arises to mathematics. For example, when you talk about stars, then it leads to astrology. So science, with the passage of time, different parameters they gave. For example, the different thoughts, the different studies, the different knowledge, the different scientific information increase many enormous folds. This enormous scientific knowledge was classified into different branches like physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics.